Hey y'all, today I'm back with another tutorial, and today I'm going to be making a wig. This is the hair company that I'm using, Sunlight Hair Company. They have sent me a closure, 4x4 closure with 4 bundles, 22, 24, 26, and 26. Yes, it's possible to make a wig with 4 bundles on the sewing machine. You just have to be very precise. Today we're going to use a 23 sized head. Yes, my circumference is only 22, but since we are using 4 bundles, I'm going to go a head size up so I can get the correct measurements and so my wig cap can fit correctly once all of the bundles are sewed in and the wig is complete. You're going to start off, as always, with outlining your closure. Y'all see them lashes? But anyway, you're going to go from side by side, just like always, side by side, side by side. What I'm showing you is the first line is where the closure would be, from that line up. But this second line right behind where the closure would lay, you're not going to go past that line at all. You're just going to keep going from side to side, side to side. Once you get up here when there's a little U shape, you're just going to do your line straight across as you see me doing. So this is how your wig head, your canvas head, your dome cap should look at this moment. I'm not going to bleach the knots today. I'm going to do some installs where I bleach the knots, and I'm going to do some installs where I don't bleach the knots, just to show you guys that it's possible to have a cute and flawless install without bleaching the knots. You're going to pluck as usual. One side is plucked and one side isn't. Secondly, since I'm not bleaching the knots, I'm going to put the makeup on the lace, on the top and on the bottom. And right now I'm just showing you me doubling the tracks. And I have not sped this up. This is the actual speed that I do this at. Do it to where you're comfortable though. I've gotten used to the machine, so it doesn't take me any time to put the tracks together. Since we are using all 4 bundles, we're going to double all 4 bundles. This is the time that I started, and just stay tuned and watch me make this wig. I haven't made the whole wig on camera just because that would have taken up a lot of time. That's unnecessary. You guys know and you see how I've put the tracks on the dome cap. I have many videos showing that. But somebody asked me one time how long does it take me to make a wig. So that's why I decided to record the time that I started and the time that I'll be completing the wig. The wig is complete, and I just wanted to show you guys the inside of the wig. I love the sewing machine method just because of how neat the wig comes out. Even though the wig comes out neat when you make it by hand, I just love how professional the sewing machine look gives you. After that, you all know that you're just going to hand sew your lace on. And if you are new to this channel, please check out my other videos. I have so many videos and so much more to come. The wig fits perfectly without an elastic band. If I would have used a 22-inch circumference dome head, the wig would have been maybe a little bit too small. But since I went a head size up, it just fits really perfect. I love big hair. So I'm not going to add any water or conditioner on it. I'm just going to get the BioSilk oil and run my fingers through it just so it doesn't look dry. And we're just going to press out the roots just a little bit. Proceed with cutting your lace off in a zigzag motion. After you've done that, I'm going to put just a little bit more BioSilk. I completely love this hair. I love big fluffy hair and I love full hair. So 4 bundles in the closure was just perfect for me. And when you have long hair, I have 2 bundles of 26. So if you use 3 bundles that's long, it's not going to look that well. It's going to look pretty thin. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. This is a completely glueless wig. If you like me to make you a wig, you can absolutely send your hair to me with your measurements and I can make you a wig. I'm just going to add this clip in at the end just to show you guys what the hair looks like when it is wet. It's a water wave, so it's not a super curly tight curl. It's just like a wet and wavy type of wave. I knew someone was going to ask how does the hair look wet, so that's why I decided to add this clip. Once again, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I love you guys so much for the support. And stay tuned for more. Of course, this side is dry, the other side is wet. This side is dry, the other side is wet. I only wet one side because I love the big and fluffy look and I didn't want to wet my whole wig.